Respected Chairman Garu, Founder Chandrababu Naidu Garu, respected directors, colleagues at Heritage, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to speak on the conclusion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations. I thank Sri Sita Ramaya Garu, Dr. Nagaraj Naidu Garu, President Samsirrao Garu, Executive Director Brahmani, the first staff to the current staff for the commitment, guidance of the years. It's a matter of great pride that we grew, embracing good value systems with humility and grace, always aspiring higher and achieving more than what was possible. When we look back on these milestones and remnants, we realize how from a humble beginning, our founder, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, pitched for serving the farming community through dairy. Today, Heritage is an institute employing 2,500 people with 20,000 business associates, empowering women and farmers over the last 25 years. Let us all salute to our founder, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, for being an incredible human being, for being a revered figure who always looked ahead, moving forward. We are very, very proud of you, sir. We wish you all the best for the future in your mission to serve the society with development and good governance. We assure you we will continue your legacy with courage to preserve the right, what is good for Heritage and its people. For people who think of high IQ, let me reveal you a truth. 8 of the USA presidents were dropouts or even did not attend college. But it never interfered into their success because they had great conviction to change the world for the better. Heritage has extraordinary human talent. Avid scholars are some of you. Ambitious executives are many, always on right track. We walk together, assisting one another with pride of working as a team. We serve the communities also. As people who serve are remembered forever. Today, technology, telephone connectivity are changing the world, giving infinite opportunities. People accomplish on the go with mobiles. IoT will further change the level of engagement, making life easier. It will empower people with opportunities for serious growth in new fields. In today's age of technology and hyperconnectivity, people are getting disconnected. They have more Facebook friends than the real ones. They live in an alternate world, which is a worrying factor. We have to preserve humanity, protect environment, upholding climate justice for future generations. After all, the community is the real fabric of the world. Lastly, cricket never fails, cricketers fail. Democracy does not fail, politicians fail. Some of our initiatives may fail, but our spirit as a team to serve the community will never fail. While thanking each one of you, let me conclude by saying Heritage will participate in India's endeavor in increasing production by 20%, decrease carbon emission by 20%, reduce rural poverty by 20% every decade. Let us sign off pledging to be transparent and prepare for bigger challenges. Surely, rewards are ahead of us. I would like to thank my team and the guests who are here to take part in the celebrations. Long live heritage, Jai Hind.